The German experts aim to change Frankfurt and Main skyline with the 4 Frankfurt high-rise complex meanwhile. In South Korea, the smart city of S-do boasts a skyline dotted with skyscrapers in these and other projects. PERI developments help builders in particular. Their lifting systems, just imagine they can handle loads of up to 10 tons. The system can be flexibly adjusted depending on the specifics of the site. For example, the platforms can move in 75 centimeters increments. And since no one wants problems at a height of 200 m, the kit comes not only with remote controls, but also with emergency switches on each platform. Cold production is exploring a zero-waste method of concrete production. It uses ice as formwork. The concrete is poured in a laboratory at -10 degrees C. The next day, the unusual blocks are taken outside. As the ice melts, the concrete block is good to go cold. Production has already used more than 8.4 tons of ice for the experiments. Good thing there's a skating rink nearby. By the way, the shape of the formwork was designed using augmented reality. Trimble SiteVision is an augmented reality system for construction crews. It allows you to illustrate the final look of a bridge under repair or clarify the locations of underground utilities to workers to work with Trimble SiteVision. All you need is a smartphone with a special app and a couple of accessories like a rangefinder, and an antenna. Objects are shown at a 1:1 scale and can be obtained from programs such as Civil 3D Autodesk Revit and AutoCAD. The system supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and other navigation systems. The minimum requirements are a smartphone powered by Android 9.0 or later, and a display no smaller than 8 in yes. It's not as simple as playing Pokemon Go. This is not a groundbreaking innovation, but still a pretty handy product. Let's take a look at TECON plastic formwork first up. It's lighter than steel formwork, making transportation easier on both effort and money. In addition, it's perfect for sites where a crane can't reach. The second advantage is its durability. The TECON TP60 formwork panels can withstand up to 100 uses. The third advantage is an extremely simple assembly. Even inexperienced workers can handle it. And of course, the formwork doesn't react with concrete, so it doesn't stain and is easy to clean. The TP60 can be used to form a wall up to 3. Asterisk 6 m high in one pour. A level of tape, measure a knife, a drill, and a nail gun. Finding all of these is easier than creating a character in a multiplayer online game. And that's all the tools you need to install the 3D wall panels. Their makers have done everything to make working faster and easier. Even a novice can manage, and the end results will be like the work of a pro. The panels are made of a lightweight and rigid polymer, which is reinforced and painted to look like metal until you touch it. You can hardly tell the difference. It's easy to calculate how many panels you need. A standard box can cover a square meter in the case of the Penta collection. A box costs $80. i.e. if you need to upgrade a sports ground call Indfloor group with 16 years of experience, they can recommend a solution fit for an Olympic stadium. For example, the Conure SSW surface is certified by the International Association of Athletics Federations. It was used on the Estadio Olímpico Dito, a Mexican stadium with a capacity of 4,600 people. The multi-layered coating is approximately 14 mm thick, built to handle heavy loads in professional competitions, including resistance to spikes. Kuiper 2S is a simpler solution. It's suitable for school and university grounds thanks to the seamless structure of Kuiper EPDM. The surface dries quickly after rain. Plus, with 24 available colors, you can customize it with your school's crest or logo. Why hire 5 bulldozer operators when one can do the job? He'll bring in the CAT command system, hook it up to the dozers, and do the job 20 or even 30% faster. Experts promise less downtime and more safety, not bad. Right, this system also reduces fuel consumption by 20%. In some cases, CAT command is suitable for other equipments like dump trucks and tractors in the case of wheel loaders. For example, the remote has a range of up to 400 m. The operator gets all the essential information from temperature to potential issues, and because it weighs only 3.8 kilograms, you can walk around the site with it comfortably. Otherwise, you can set up a remote workstation with monitors and work comfortably from a chair. Superior walls panels are manufactured after receiving an order from the customer. Engineers assess building plans and use a proprietary program to create a factory production plan. Then workers prepare a specialized Exson wall concrete mix to make the panels waterproof in the process. The concrete undergoes pressure treatment at 345 bars for better durability. The panels are reinforced not only with steel, but also with polypropylene fibers. These are small fibers that, among other things, reduce the risk of cracks, the 6. 3 centimeters thick extruded polyene insulation not only strengthens the building, but also enhances its energy efficiency. And this piece of equipment aids panel movements on site making, moving a 30-ton structure a smooth process. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.